Shout out to adrenaline lovers. Alanya Quad Safari is a widely popular entertainment in Alanya for all lovers of outdoor activities, speed and adventure. Riding through forests and mountains on ATV will be quite fun and exciting for both adults and children. Accompanied with delightful sceneries, you'll never forget about the paths you'll follow. Moreover, timing is up to you. This tour runs every day in the morning or evening, and you can choose a session one of which is suitable you. The mountainous area, lush greenery and untouched nature will be waiting for you every time. So, let's end this longing. After being picked up by the transfer service at the appointed time, you'll be taken to starting point of Alanya Quad Safari. Of course, you'll not get on the quad as soon as you arrive. We will have a briefing and training part successively. Professional instructors will give you detailed instructions on quad, ATV, driving and safety procedures. Speaking of driving, you don't need any driving experience or any type of driver's license to ride a quad. You will learn it in a short time and ride. We bet even if you drive a vehicle for the first time in your life, you will succeed it. Because quad bike, also known as ATV, is very easy to control, and still capable of giving you thrilling hours. As well as being thrilling, these vehicles are safe, too. Therefore, you have nothing to worry about. Actually, you'll see it yourself during the test ride given before the safari. When Alanya ATV Safari training part overs, you'll test your skills on the main route. We'll leave the field as a quad convoy and the adventure will immediately begin. We'll have an off-road journey of which roads have natural obstacles such as bumps, mud puddles, waters or twisty paths. So you need to keep up with them and pass through. And we're sure you will. Even if you cannot, our instructors will be there for you, ready to help about anything. When you completely get used to driving, you will begin to admire the picturesque area through which you will drive. Gigantic mountains, small rivers, birds' twitters and sound of swinging trees in the wind will captivate you. Then, embrace Alanya's wonders. Ride of a total of 2 to 2.5 hours will be sufficient for that. On the way, we will stop by a mountain river. Guess what comes next? Yes, it will be possible to swim in its cool waters to freshen up your body and get some goosebumps. So, if you want to enjoy this amazing experience, don't forget to bring your swimwear and towels. Also during the break you will have the opportunity to take great photos with ATVs. Speaking of photos, during riding and having breaks, we will be accompanied by a professional photographer who will capture you in motion while driving an ATV. Imagine how cool and vivid photographs they will be. At the end of the ATV tour, you can even purchase them. If you decide on joining in Alanya Quad Safari, we have some bright ideas about how to prepare for this adventure. These tips will be perfect in terms of getting ready for the safari like a professional rider. This off-road journey is always accompanied by dust, water and sometimes even mud, which make the adventure very exhilarating.